Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. This will definitely be a few days after Father's Day, but we're going to finish planting corn. It's definitely late in the season. I said that last video. I waited a few more days. I'm now happy with the clay. We are going to go and stick it in there. Should plant nice. We're going to no-till it in. I just finished getting the planter ready, put diesel in this tractor. We're waiting for some seed from our DeKalb salesman. I'm always going to go start planting some soybeans again, and hopefully we'll get a few acres put in today. So this is some corn that's already up. This is actually my neighbor Hale Pete. Mine's over there. We planted that May 1st, I think, maybe at the end of April, one or the other. Anyways, it's looking pretty good. So like I said, it's kind of interesting having corn that's pretty much knee high. And we're going to finish planting. Right here is our soybeans. This is a test plot. It was planted also first week of May. That is for Pioneer to strive for 100 bushel soybeans. We'll see what happens. We did see a little bit of spray damage. I don't know if that was from the neighbors or not. I'm not too worried about it. They say with soybeans you want to stress them a little bit, so I guess they got a little stressed. We'll find out as the time goes on. So let's get to this field. Here I'm doing the first strikeout. I did my headlands over behind the trees over there, checked my depth, checked everything. It's looking really good. I'm happy with what's going on here. And we shall, as it goes on, I will get out and I'll show you what I'm seeing, what the job we're doing. And we'll just double check that we're still doing a good job. That, oh, can you see that? That looks really important. Let's go peekaboo. I think I'm gonna need that to finish. Yep, that's mine. You're always hopeful. Maybe it's from last year. Huh. I think I've talked in the past about the drag chains. So we have lost obviously one closing wheel, but we're still closed. Yep, there we are. Okay. Looks like I'm gonna have to call my mom because Owen's in the other field. It's Sunday. I think all my guys, I'm just checking all the rest of them right now because you might as well. You need two. That one doesn't sound very healthy. Okay, make a call, we'll change this out. Well, good news. My wife is very close home farm. She's gonna give me a call back. I'm gonna walk her through where these babies are. This one is not looking very healthy either, so I'll change him out. And then it might be time to change them all out because this is my third one this season. I got tools. We can do this. I think. Here's the call. Hello. No, Sarah's actually just at the cemetery, so she's gonna give me a call. When she gets home farm, I'll walk her through it because I have tools to take this apart right now. So
I was gonna say, because I got, unless it's here, I can go sit there, but whatever.
No, you keep carrying on. Sounds like I got her figured out here. I'm just taking my bolt out now. Sit up. This is okay. Yeah, bye. Here she is. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so you're in the track. You're in the hangar.
Sure am.
Okay. To the right-hand side is a bunch of shelving. You see that?
I see lots of shelving everywhere.
Oh, look at that. Now my mom's calling me. Here, FaceTime me.
Okay. I'm ready right there.
We FaceTimed? Okay, sweet. Shelving to your... Nope. Keep turning. Yep, those ones. Okay, see those cast wheels at the bottom? Keep walking towards them, but that's not them. Look up 3 shelves and go over 2 more sections. Right there. Yep, there they all are. Those black, yep, I need, give me 2, bring me 3, and I'll put one on me, because I don't know if another one's gonna go or not.
Bring 3?
Bring 3.
And that's all you need?
Yep, I'm taking it apart right now, so I got tools.
Okay.
Thanks, babe. Love you, bye.
Yeah, bye.
Look at that, it's all working out. Okay, so we got that out. We'll go take the other one off, which you don't need to see. That's the same thing. We'll slip the other one on when she gets here. So while we're out here, so this is what I'm talking about for my clay. Finally breaking apart. That's what we want to see. Not sliming. You can see we're just in the moisture here, and that's what I want. And you can see, yep, there's another little fella right there. That one right there. I'm going fairly shallow. We're late in the season, but you can see my 3 coulter system just kind of breaks it up all like that. It makes a decent bed for the seed for no-tilling in there. So yeah, I'm happy with how it's going in. Okay, my wife brought me the wheel, changed both already. They're out of here. We're gonna keep rolling. No, just like that, we're finished. I'm gonna take the 806 back. I'll get it right back. We're gonna plant right onto the road, and this field is done. Corn is done for me for 2024. Thankfully, that was painful all the way to the end. It was funny though. So my neighbor, I started planting this field. Probably got a quarter way done, and he just bought a new 60-foot planter, and they got a 50-foot cultivator, and yeah, I can see they can cover some dirt in a hurry, because I didn't finish this 50. I got like maybe 25, 30 acres down, and I know he went and worked, there's 60 acres down there with that 50-foot cultivator. And I don't know where he went with the 60-foot planter, but he went there, planted it, and now he's over in that field over there planting that 60 acres. Maybe it's 80, I'm not even 100% sure, but it's in that region. It's more than what I'm planting. It is crazy what the equipment is like out there. Anyways, I think it's gonna be a short video, so I'll probably see you guys in the morning. I'm gonna start working some dirt, and we're gonna finish some beans. See you in the morning. Now, before we call it a night, better just check this out. One's just about finished up. This field of soys, which is pretty sweet. So you can see these are 7.5 inches, and that's an air seeder. I only worked this spot. The rest has been no-till. There's just a couple spots we fluffed up over the fall. There's a little bit wet and some marks, and it's not nice to go over the sprayer, so fluff them up. And we have low power, so you guys have a good one. We'll see you in the morning when we start working dirt. So we're back at the farm for a brief moment here. So I just finished work in my house. Owen just rolled in the air seeder, and he said he's got no AC. So I still had another bunch of dirt to work, but I said, well, I'm gonna bring you a different tractor. We'll swap them out, because it is too hot for that crap today. It's like being in a fishbowl. Help is on the way, Owen. Help is on the way. So the AC quit on Owen yesterday, and we had them come check it out, and apparently blew a fuse. They just put a new fuse in while it blew again, so we're not just gonna keep putting fuses in it. There's obviously a problem. So we'll get it back to the shop and get it fixed. If this is gonna be the worst breakdown of the season, I'm okay with that. No. Oh. Okay, so one's gonna sweat. So we tried that. Hydraulic lines are too short, and there's an extra plug that we don't have on this tractor or the 8345. So by the time we screw around, this field will be done. So he's just gonna sweat. So be it. Well, we're back at tillage then. I think Owen's getting along just fine. It'll be a little toasty. It's nice in here though. Woo. And we'll keep you informed. Got another, if I get this worked, another 12 acres that I would like to work after this to kind of finish up. We'll see if we get to it or not. We should be able to. The old girls are going down. Over West just called the 6410. For some weird reason, it's overheating, and he's straight on the side of the road. So he's just gonna wait and see if it cools down. Like, he's not very far away. Hopefully, he can limp it back to the farm or limp it to one of the farms or a neighbor's house. For now, we'll see. But if not, I told him they can come pick me up, and we'll see what's going on. If not, it's another day problem. It's quite interesting. It's too bad. Look at that treasure. Nice. I don't know who lost that. I definitely didn't lose it. I mean, who has a farm pin that small? Anyways, good thing we seen it, opposed to putting it through the combine or something silly like that. Or putting that hook through the tire. That'd be bad too. Okay, just wanted to show you my treasure. Okay, that is it for this farm. We're gonna head back to the home farm, and we're actually gonna stop the neighbors and grab Pete's turbo till and his 7140. Since I know the 8260, I have a very, very small job, so we said just come grab his tractor, it's easier. Change of plans. I'm way ahead of Owen. I gotta go do some things for my wife and my kids. They really want some water in the pool, so I'm gonna fill up the water wagons, get a load down there. And I'm gonna call it a night for you guys, and I'll see what goes on after I get at least one load of water in there. Have a good one. Peace. Like, subscribe.